बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरे क्या आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज का टॉपिक है आवर यूनिवर्स, डेथ ऑफ स्टार। डेथ ऑफ स्टार occur when the fuel for nuclear reaction later elements to used of a dying star collapses under gravity as the energy flow from the core of the star stops. Nuclear reaction outside the core cause the dying star to expand outward in the retrograde phase before its collapse. Figure 12.6. After the formation of retrograde, the core of the star ends up as one of the following three types: white dwarf, neutron star, black hole. The initial mass of the star plays an important role when it is the last stage. Depending upon the mass, the following phenomena occur: formation of white dwarf. If the initial mass of the star is less than or equal to the mass of the solar system, solar mass of the sun, the red giant becomes white dwarf. Its size reduces to the size of the earth. Its color changes from white to yellow and then to red, and finally it becomes black and is known as black dwarf. The sun is about 4.5 billion years old. It has used up about half of its nuclear fuel. After about 5 billion years will be a white dwarf. The nearest known white dwarf is Sirius B, located at 8.6 light years. Formation of neutron stars. In the initial mass of the star is between one of the five types of solar masses. The red giant becomes a neutron star. The contraction of the star continues until it becomes so dense such that it is composed almost entirely of neutrons. A neutron star is also dense that a teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 10 million tons. The diameter of neutron star is estimated to be 10 to 20 kilometers, about size of an average city. A pulsar is a highly magnetized rotating neutron star that emits beams of electromagnetic radiation out of its magnetic poles. This radiation can be observed only when a beam of emissions is pointing toward Earth and is responsible for the pulsed appearance of emission. This produces a very precise interval between pulses that ranges from milliseconds to seconds for an individual pulsar. Formation of black hole. If the initial mass of the star is more than 5 times the mass of the solar mass, the red giant becomes a black hole. The massive star goes through uncontrolled contraction because of the inward pull of its own gravity. The contraction of the star continues until the star becomes too dense that nothing, even light, can escape from its gravity. Thus it appears black and therefore called a black hole. A supermassive black hole is detected at the center of Milky Way galaxy, which is about 4.3 million masses. Teaching point: all neutron stars emit between electromagnetic radiation from the points. However, neutron stars are only observed as a pulsars if Earth happen to lie at the path of plus beam.